With its incredible stabilization, the GoPro Fusion allows you to create buttery smooth 360-degree and overcapture videos without the help of a gimbal. So how does that work? Thanks to sensors inside the camera, we're able to know exactly what movements the GoPro Fusion did while recording. The GoPro Fusion software is then able to read that data and convert it into yaw, pitch, and roll values. Because the camera captures everything around it, we can then rotate the sphere to exactly match those movements and smooth out the motions of the camera. For overcapture, this translates to shockingly smooth videos in every direction. GoPro Fusion features two types of stabilization. Anti-shake will give a gimbal feeling to your content. The software will smooth out your video, but will keep the general direction and movements of the camera. Or with the same video, you can use full stabilization. This will lock the orientation of the scene and remove all movements regardless of the camera's original rotation. The amazing stabilization of the GoPro Fusion combined with overcapture opens up all new ways of capturing and sharing your world. So let your creativity flow.